Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to fix lag on PS5. Go to settings, then go to network, then go to settings, then go to connect to the network. Then select the Wi-Fi network and press options button on controller, then select Wi-Fi frequency bands. Then select it as 5 Hz. If you are long distance from the router, then select 2.4 Hz. Otherwise, select automatic, then go to advanced settings, then go to DNS settings and select it as manual. Select the primary DNS as 1.1.1.1, then change the secondary DNS as 1.0.0.1. Then click on OK. Then go to MTU settings, then select it as manual, then go to MTU and change it from 1500 to 1473 or change it to 1450. Then click on OK. By following the steps, you can fix lag on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.